It's great to have you here for this episode. Today, we're diving into something that a lot of engineering students really struggle with: placement preparation.
Yeah, it's interesting how most students just memorize answers or binge watch crash courses on YouTube. But very few actually prepare to think clearly and structurally under pressure.
Exactly. And that's a big problem, especially in interviews for computer science, AIML, and data science roles. They often make five key mistakes.
Right? Like defining concepts without explaining how they actually work. Just giving a definition isn't enough.
Uh-huh. Then there's avoiding numerical examples. So no grounding in actual numbers or simple calculations.
And ignoring assumptions behind the models or methods. That's huge because assumptions shape when a model works or fails.
Plus, skipping limitations or weaknesses. Interviewers want to hear about where things break down.
And finally, not being able to explain all this clearly and concisely in about a minute. That's a real skill.
Yeah, like when students talk about logistic regression, they often just describe it, but don't explain the mechanism or failure points. Interviewers aren't testing memory. They want structured thinking.
That's where AIYING Placement Prep comes in. It's not just a tool that gives you answers. It's a framework that trains you to articulate answers in layers.
Right, so if you ask, explain random forest, AIYING guides you through 8 layers: precise definition, core mechanism, a small numerical example, industry use, limitations, evaluation metrics, performance insights, and failure scenarios.
That layered approach really forces you to organize your thoughts logically and deeply. It's not a shortcut. It changes how you prepare.
And it's especially important for AIML and data science interviews. Interviewers expect you to mention assumptions, evaluation metrics like precision and recall, risks like overfitting, the bias variance trade-off, data quality impact, and computational cost.
Plus, for data science roles, they want you to be aware of data pre-processing, feature engineering, scalability, and interpretability trade-offs. Most students forget at least 3 of these points.
AIYING automatically enforces this discipline. It makes you slower, in a good way, by asking you to compute examples, identify failure points, compare alternatives, and articulate clearly in 1 minute.
That's real interview maturity and academic discipline. And the bigger vision here is that AI isn't replacing thinking, it's amplifying disciplined thinking.
Exactly. AIYING is built on the principle: accomplish with AI, don't outsource your brain to it.
So, for anyone preparing for CS, AIML, or data science placements, start structuring your answers, validate your depth, and think in mechanisms, not memorized lines.
Because in interviews, clarity wins, and clarity is a skill you can train.
Absolutely. It's about training your thinking, not just memorizing answers. That's the real game changer.
Well said. Thanks for joining this conversation. Hopefully, this gives listeners a fresh perspective on how to prepare smarter, not just harder.
Yeah, maybe even enjoy the process a bit more.
Definitely. Until next time.